Here we go. Wow, okay. The manual seems to be on the box this time. There's one of these moist catchers in here to catch all the moist. But we don't need that after it, you know. And then we have the actual Beacn mix here. Okay. And another cable. They wrap these so nicely. And it's another USB-C cable. USB-C to USB, so we can attach it in the back here. Cannot dish this box yet because it has the instructions in it, so I put this out of the way for a second. But the best thing we need to do is get rid of this plastic, right? It's this plastic layer, and this is the most satisfying part of the whole video. Ah, look at how clean. Ooh, it doesn't seem to be sticky. Like we can just stick it back on. Looks neat. We can just press the buttons. We can turn them.